mag-a-apply ka ng trabaho at hindi mo alam kung paano gumawa ng application letter. So, eto yung video na para sa'yo. Susundan mo lamang at pwede mo itong kopyahin. Okay, simulan na natin. So, ito yung application letter, everyone. Yung una mong ilalagay, of course, is ang iyong pangalan. Ayan. Ang sa ilalim naman should be your address, kung saan ka nakatira. Next naman is your city, province, and zip code. Next naman, ilalagay mo ang iyong email address at contact number. Bakit? Kasi tatawagan ka nila kapag mag-i-interview ka na or di kaya naman ay i-hire ka na. Next naman, kinakailangan na ilagay mo ang date. And of course, sa ilalim, ilalagay mo yung hiring manager's name, which is sila yung head ng kumpanya or di kaya kung sila yung nasa HR. Ayan, sila yung ilalagay mo dyan. And of course, we have the company name, ano yung pangalan ng kumpanya. And of course, we have the company address, we have the city, province, and zip code. Again, everyone, etong sa hiring manager's name, kumbaga kung nasa kumpanya, kung sino yung manager, sila yung ilalagay mo dito. Ayan. So next, we have here for the body of your letter, everyone. We have here, dear sir, madam. Kung babae yan, we have dear madam. Kung lalaki naman, dear sir. Of course, ito yung gagamitin mo kapag mag-a-apply ka ng trabaho. And of course, we have here the body of your letter. Okay, isa-isahin natin. For the first, I am writing to express my interest in the position title. So kung ano yung a-applyan mo, like for example, Administrative Officer 2, 4, or Administrative Aid, ilalagay mo yan. Or di kaya naman job order. Okay, pwede din naman. And of course, at company name, kung ano yung pangalan ng kumpanya na a-applyan mo. As advertised, with my skills, background, and strong work ethic, I am confident that I can contribute positively to your team and support the goals of your organization. Yes, dapat pakita mo na support ka, dapat pakita mo na makakatulong ka. I have gained relevant experience in mention your skills or previous work experience. So, tayo mong i-mention ano yung mga skills mo na which is makakatulong ka sa kumpanya. And of course, ano yung mga work experience mo na related or di kaya makakatulong sa kumpanya na a-applyan mo. Which has developed my ability to work efficiently, communicate effectively, and adapt to the different work environments. I am highly motivated, detail-oriented, and committed to delivering quality work. Ayan. I am eager to bring my dedication and enthusiasm to your company. I believe that company's name, we have here, lalagay mo kung ano yung pangalan ng kumpanya na a-applyan mo, is an excellent place to grow professionally. I would be honored to be part of your team. Okay. So, of course, dapat ipapakita mo sa kanila na eager ka talaga. Ipapakita mo sa letter mo na gustong-gusto mo talaga na makapasok sa kampanya nila. So, I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss how my qualifications align with your needs. You may reach me at lalagay mo yung iyong contact number o ilalagay mo ang iyong email address. Ilalagay mo yun dapat yung dalawa at your convenience. Of course, everyone, ito yung mga dapat na ilalagay mo sa iyong letter of intent. Okay? So, for the last, we have respectively yours. Of course, dapat na ilagay mo ang iyong name at ipepirmahan mo yan pagkatapos o ilalagay mo ng iyong signature. Ayan, ganyan na kasimple, everyone, kung paano gumawa ng letter of intent. Diba? Or application letter para naman ma-hire ka. Diba? Minsan kasi, nakabase yan kung paano mo gawin ang iyong letter of intent mamaya. Or, like for example, kung hindi ka marunong, makikita talaga yan sa letter of intent na marunong ka ba o hindi ka marunong. Ayan. Kung nakatulong sa iyong video na ito, please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para maging updated ka sa mga next nating videos na alam kong makakatulong sa inyo. So, yun lamang. Pakishare and like na din. And then, sana nakatulong. Goodbye and God bless.